Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some cabin crew simulator again. This is actually part 2 of the series, so let's get right into it. So this is the Sloth Express Airways. That's the new name which someone suggested in the comments. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the name, by the way. It is actually pretty funny. So we're going in. So we can buy this airplane. Finally we can buy this airplane. So we bought the airplane. We are poor now, and we're gonna fly to Seattle. So we don't know what's happening here. Flight number. So we're having just the crew, and now we're going to gate 7 for a flight to Seattle. So we'll just walk through all of the scanners, and we are free to go. You never got any official pilot training? Seriously? Seriously? So we have to go to gate 7. And yeah. So we're gonna start the boarding. Because we need to be on time. Always on time. Morning, Felicia. So we're walking. Come on, walk. Hello. So chips, put that in here. Quick cups, put them in here. You get in here. And oh yeah, I forgot. 2 rows of people actually now. I said, can you stow your tray table? Can you bring your seat upright? So, oh wait, no, wrong one. This one. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. Skipping taxi. Take off. So, look at this beautiful new airplane. It's nice, isn't it? There's one aircraft using the runway before you, so stand by as it should be a very short delay. So now we just have to wait. That's sad. Dear passengers, we're having a short delay. Please wait until we leave. Look. Dear passengers, we will take off in 5 minutes. So, dear passengers, we are gonna take off in a few minutes. Dear passengers, we are gonna take off in a few minutes. Please wait. Please wait. Dear passengers, we are taking off without any delay. And that's because we actually left before because we actually left before time. Before the time ended. So now we're just flying. It's actually a pretty cool aircraft. See? It has 2 lavatories. It has... Oh wait, that's actually pretty cool that you can... You know, we're actually going to be realistic this time, so we're going to get the beverage cart. So, you would like a Pepsi, you would like a cola, you would like a Pepsi. So you would like your cola, you want some water, you want a Sprite, you want a Sprite, you want a Pepsi, you want a Sprite, you want a Sprite, You want a cola. So that's all the food, I would say. No, that's all the drinks. No, it's not all the drinks. We missed a coffee. Here's your coffee. So we're gonna put back this card and we're gonna get the food card. So here are your crackers, sir. Here are your pretzels. Here are your peanuts. Here are your peanuts. Said here are your peanuts. Here is your nut mix. And here are your pretzels. I said here are your pretzels. Oh. Oh. So we're just gonna put this one back. Is that really? Is that all? Oh no, wait, we missed one. Actually, could it disappear? No, it doesn't. I have to be realistic. So, do you want any? You are getting a nut mix. Here you go. And now we should collect the trash. So, hello guys, how's it doing? How is it? Is it doing good? Good, that's nice. So, we're gonna collect the trash. Trash, trash, trash. Trash, 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 trash. So we're gonna be landing soon, I think. Actually, I think we're gonna be landing soon. So let's see if I can see if anyone didn't listen. Didn't someone listen? You toggle your tray table and bring your seat upright. So we're gonna land. So flip this, go, and we're gonna land. So now we're just waiting to land. So we're waiting. So what's happening? Oh no, wait, it's just stabilizing. So we're just flying, and if you enjoyed the video so far, please consider a like and maybe subscribe. So we're landing, we're gonna land, we're gonna land, we're gonna land. Look, we're already in Seattle. That's cool, isn't it? We're already, look, perfect touchdown, perfect touchdown, perfect, perfect touchdown. Just as always. Wait, that's cool. That's really cool if you can get that. So I think we'll go in the next video. We'll do a flight that goes from Robloxia to Seattle and back to Robloxia. Because this is the Slotter's first flight. So we're going to continue taxi for a water salute. Look, it's over there, so we know we're going to be quick. So if you want to see me fly from Robloxia to Seattle and back to Robloxia, please leave a comment to say yes or to say no. So now we'll just wait until we are at the water salute. So we're waiting. This would look pretty cool from the passenger perspective, I think. So we're looking from a passenger's perspective. This would be actually pretty cool. Would you, if one of you or any of you ever saw this happen on your flight, please let me know in the comments. So we're at the gate already, and so we're waiting until that thing's done actually. So now we're just waiting. Look, you can see them actually load out the like withdraw the baggage from the aircraft. That's a cool detail. Oh look, you can even see it happen. That's a cool detail, I think. So we're gonna open. No, we can't open these first. So we're gonna open the door. And if you enjoyed this video, bye.